Tozi, we need to stop this thing that we are doing.
You see, you time for this business.
I know that one day they will kill you in this thing.
Why are you personalizing the thing?
Personalize. If you see tire, it's only your name because I know tire will not enter my head.
If they see plywood, they coupon me.
We have to think of something else.
What are we going to do next?
You believe AGIDIBGA
now?
You don't know.
AGIDIBGA!
AGIDIBGA the great. Okay, let us go now,
Wow.
Oga, we dey go Apama Junction.
Apama?
Apama Junction.
Enter.
How much now?
250. Only 150. No. If na 150, na go lap on yourself.
I will take lap on myself. Now, Gamo will give you 200 now.
No. Na 250.
I will give you 200. I will give you 200 now.
This man mean, who they go now? Look at that firehouse,
I swear.
If to say that one person they alive now, person for don't buy one.
Hey.
Now I miss this world. Now they drive this car now. Why they crawl now?
Calm down. You know, say an accident kill us.
Hey!
Na ghost! Hey! Ghost! Hey! So what are we going to do next now?
We get plenty things we will use money do now.
Like,
we use this money like this now. We dey save now. Take buy house.
yeah. AGIDIBGA the great.
This is my man.
I swear, this house don't own.
This house don't tire me.
I swear.
Don't old now. You dey see everywhere. Pick up.
Soft boys like us.
Some boys like us now we say we don't dey on block. We don't dey on money. I need rape here. We need to live here.
But we have enough money to build the house.
Yeah, I know we have enough money. But you need to relax first. You understand? We have enough money, but we need to relax first. Let's just go this mission. One and last.
Under one.
Just the last one.
Hi.
See, just this last one and we are done with everything mission. One more mission and we are done.
But this last one.
Trust me now.
I really like this last thing.
Now after this last one, after this
No,
one, I will not go again. No.
Onuku Street.
Onuku Street.
Na 500.
Oga, I'm gonna give you 250 now.
Na 500. You dey go, abi no dey go?
Na wow. I don't miss this world. See now, look at these Wi-Fi houses. Imagine seeing now when person they alive now. Person for don't buy one.
Oh, I miss this world. I miss this world.
Like when woman. Aye.
Oh no.
No.
Oh no.
Aye. Now I don't miss plenty things for this world.
Okay, drive fast now.
Now you no go relax, Abi. Don't forget send an accident to kill us, Abi.
Una be ghost?
We look like normal human being for your eye before.
I never carry una before.
What's this man they try talk?
You be ghost?
Yes, I'm a ghost, and you're welcome to the land of the dead. Welcome to the fasting sick bed. Express.
After Sam, we'll do one time. Go. One time.
Agents, go now.
Go back.
This one off now. The monitor, this one off. Okay. Oh, video off, man.
Now fuck up. Now don't say after.
No video well.
We get our lines when we go stand up, waka.
No mind them.
Let me take up a shot, I think.
You be no mind them. No be you be the no mind them.
Let me take up a shot.
Cho, so this short sweet. Leave am at the direct.
You want to repeat because you enjoy beating another man. If when I dey alive, a person know they drive me. I dey drive my first.
Calm down.
I don't talk rubbish. I dey drive my first. Move again.
Pick up.
Go back, check, go back.
Go back. Reverse.
No kill me. I beg, oh, no kill me. Again, no kill me for real.
Okay. 1 million naira.
This guy will look at that share you.
You don't carry it, then I block
everything. Alright, we get.
Go.
See, stand there.
Just if you come, just stay here. Just stay here. Like they told you all your talking.
Why you dey put me for this kid? You know I want you.
No, you don't show now.
Don't take your seat now.
Oh
yeah.
They fuck up. Oh yeah, go again. Just enter.
Yes,
Young man, how much is the car?
Enter. If you enter now, just stand there. One step, bam. Stand. Yes. Okay.
Don't shake your head. Just
go back.
Don't shake your head.
Go back again. You enter that shot. Same shot.
Okay. Just one step front.
Oh yeah.
Action.
So young man, I think I like this.
Get.
Okay.
This is not
Yeah, man, we out here.
What is action.
Did you like that video that you just watched? If yes, why have you not commented? Why have you not liked?
What do I know?
Why have you not subscribed
I don't
to
know.
this YouTube channel? What are you waiting for? My brother, what are these people waiting for?
I don't know.
Do you people think I'm a madman? Now you should subscribe now.
It is says I will laugh.
You see, nobody will remove 1 cent from your account if you subscribe. Subscription is free. I'm telling you, free. Free. Just
subscribe.
don't be a stingy human being. We know you like us. That is why you watch this video.
Yes.
Exactly.
If you don't like us,
You will not
you
watch
will
it.
not watch
Watch
it.
it.
So complete your likeness by subscribing. I don't even know if YouTube can remove that subscribe button and put follow. It will be more better because people think like nobody will remove you money if you subscribe. Please, it's not that we are changing it. We are not changing it for you. We are just begging you.
When I beg.
We have begged you
It's
enough.
beg we are begging.
Subscribe.
I beg.
Because subscribe. See, we
Subscribe,
have suffered.
We have suffered.
600 years we have suffered.
Only you.
But subscribe,
But
please
subscribe,
just subscribe. Please. Subscribe to our channel.
For more videos.
Every week we are giving you hot videos.
Back to back. I see the
Hot videos, back to back. You know, trust me, I know you like all those videos that we are giving you.
Yeah, I like it, of course.
Pam. You think say Sabi laugh? Subscribe to this channel.
Now and enjoy unlimited laughter.
Unlimited laughter. If you don't subscribe, you problem food this world though.
Family problem no dey finish.
If you don't subscribe, you go dey get issues. Subscribe, make they laugh.
I'm telling you.
I beg, subscribe. Thursday.
Eh?
Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe, I beg.
Where you cigar?
Click on the subscribe.